In this video, I will show you how you can fix the liquid detected error in the USB connector on any iPad. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just check the charging cable of your iPad. Sometimes this error appears when you have moisture on the charging cable of your iPad, so that is why just use any other charging cable and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just power off your iPad. Now to do that, just press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. And after you do that, you will see the power menu on the screen. And from here, just slide the slider and power off your iPad. Once your iPad is completely powered off, then just gently shake your iPad to remove any water which might be in the charging port of your iPad. After that, just use a dry, soft cloth and clean the charging port of your iPad. After you have cleaned the charging port, then just place your iPad in a dry area with good air circulation for 30 minutes or more. Once the 30-minute duration has been completed, then just power on your iPad. Then plug your iPad into charge and check if your issue has been fixed or not. But if your issue is still not fixed, then just power off your iPad again, but this time just leave your iPad for a couple of hours for the charging port to completely dry out. And after 4 to 5 hours, then just perform a force restart on your iPad. Now to do that, just simply press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process has been completed, then just plug your iPad into charge and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with the charging port of your iPad. Just take your iPad to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the liquid detected issue in the charging port of your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.